Um, Hi guys, I'm back and I'm catching this vlog.
I think it's a good value for money,
Okay, wait, hold on.
compared to the one in Guam, the Turuwa. The Turuwa is very expensive and you're only gonna get what? Because this is a 2,000
Oh, look how pretty that is.
kilometers. Right? Look at mommy, oh. Look at mommy, oh.
Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Well, it's really pretty. You ask mom because I'm not really good.
No, Mom's a bitch.
I don't know how to photo.
No, you don't want to photo. Catch that bit. Down, down. No, what? Down. And then, yes.
Dapat ilang kita nga skiing, yo.
Ah.
Yeah. Skiing from here, going from there, going.
Okay, what's it like close?
Ano yung ski field dire?
I'm so scared, but I'm gonna put this back into the bag.
There's more up there.
Dang, that's
Right, yeah, do you
so
feel warm?
scary.
Yeah, it's not really cold, eh? It's warm in here. Warm. Yeah, it's warm. Warm sa baby.
Okay, so like
Snow mountain sa
that's snow
baby.
mountain. I want to pick up some snow. Look at that.
Masakas ka Marco dahil?
Oo.
Ha?
Wala. Dito sila sa dalom lang.
Ay, dalog.
Dito sa...
Ubos? Ha? Nana ka dire? Ilan mo? Magaan ka sa restaurant. Dito na yun, ubusin na natin.
I'm trying to take my clothes off.
Ay, holiday! Yeah!
Okay, there we go.
Yeah! Hi! Labay-labay na doon daw si Ate Raya, no? Si Ate Raya?
No!
Snow, 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 snow.
Oh my gosh.
Here we come.
Okay, let's go back.
Ready to disembark.
Let's go back inside. Okay, I'm gonna pause it for a second. How do I get there?
I don't know with that day. My God.